Hey everybody, I just wanted to pop on here and do a low-key unboxing of my Dooney & Bourke small flap wallet that I got in the mail. I ordered it from Amazon because it was surprisingly cheaper than on the Dooney & Bourke website. This is my current wallet that I've been using the past couple of years by Guess. I bought it on Royal Caribbean cruise, Serenade of the Seas, and they have like shops with handbags and wallets, and you see things and you want to go shopping, and it actually costs more than what I paid for this Dooney & Bourke wallet. It's been good, but it's a big wallet and it's taking up a lot of space in my handbag, so I'm trying to downsize and make things a lot more like convenient to carry. So that's why I ordered this Dooney & Bourke wallet. I think I'm gonna be happy with it. It's minimalistic and it would go with all of my other Dooney & Bourke bags. So we'll see. I'll let you know how that goes. Thank you for watching. I'll leave the link in my description below if you're interested in picking up one for yourself. I'll leave the link to the one from Amazon and to the one on Dooney & Bourke's website in case you want to check the website, because maybe they'll have different prices. Have a wonderful rest of your week. I'll see you guys later, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this and other crazy shenanigans. See ya. Bye. Bye.